It's one very special little chef's birthday, so let's make a cake. Start with your flour, your baking powder, baking soda, and salt. And Brooks loves chocolate, so we are adding cocoa powder too. Go ahead and add your sugar next, and then before we mix it up, we better taste our ingredients to make sure they're okay. But, oh, hold on. Oh, not cocoa powder. That tastes awful. Mom, help please. All right, that's much better. Back to business. Let's mix up those ingredients, then add our melted butter, Mom's cold coffee that she never gets to finish, and then our sour cream.
Mom.
No, we don't need any more. There's some in there anyways. See? All right, so then let's add our eggs. And hold on a sec, we better get Mom back here because we don't need any shells in the batter. That's not the added calcium we're looking for today. Pour your batter into your pan and then we'll bake the cake, and we'll get a little help from Mom on the assembly so that we can decorate it with this delicious homemade chocolate frosting. And we might end up tasting more than we actually put on the cake. Don't forget the sprinkles. Pro tip, if you don't want to share your cake with anybody, make it as unattractive as possible so that nobody wants to try it. Yay! Our birthday boy has his cake.
Bye.
Bye! Happy birthday!